Hello everyone, this is George Amanda. How you doing? Today I bring to you a Treasure Studios art kit. And of course, it's crystal. Because yeah, girls like the diamonds. Sparkly and big. Let's go inside, shall we? Okay, you have this beautiful new packaging. Love it. You get this. This is one of the best toolkits. They give you the white board with a funnel, a shitload of wax, the good quality wax. If you can see through it, it's a good quality wax. You get a pink squeezy, you got a 3-placer and a 6-placer. I love them. You got also a pen that has this tip. And a straightener. What's this new? I can't remember. And oops! Almost lost them. And the pink non-lethal tweezers. And they come in this beautiful fuchsia bag that is branded. Okay, Treasure Studios art has a mix of wood glue and double-sided adhesive, and the quality mounted adhesive. Your painting will come in this compartment box, so it's highly unlikely that you get a damaged canvas. So they say, sorry for the crickling, that it's better not to roll it backward. Now, which painting is this? I don't remember. I have it for so long, guys. Ooh, I remember. Yeah, that's how long I have it. No comments. No comments. This is from Marjorie Sarnart, Waiting for Santa. Santa, yay! I love her art, and when I saw these kitty cats, ooh, I had to have her. She's a 50 by 70 with 24 colors. Ooh boy. Rachel was like, if you want these paintings, go big or go home. And I listened to her and I went big, and I won't regret it. Ooh, this is gorgeous. Gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Okay, since this baby is quite big, we'll have to hang her. Sorry, Marjorie. Oh, look at the Santa and the snow and the little kitty cats. Yay! In the snow. Yay! Nice. Okay, I'm gonna get you off the tripod now. Oops, finger. And here they are. You can see the Santa flying the reindeers and the little kitties waiting on the roof and the trees and the beautiful landscape. And down here you have the ribbon. Let me get you closer. As you can see, our drill field is clear as day. Beautiful kitty cats. Yeah, look at them, they're having a hug. And there you have Santa. Ooh, with all his reindeers. Oh, here's Rudolph with his red nose. Yeah. You have your legend on the right side and the left side. It has only 24 colors because it's crystal. If you get it at normal, not crystal rhinestones, it will have many more colors. But crystal rhinestones are forbidden how many you have. Sorry for the glare, but can't do nothing about it. Here you go. Artists, licensed art. And this is the symbols, nothing weird. Imagine this now in full crystal. Yeah, good stuff. Now let's go see the sparklies. Ooh, who wants to see the sparklies? I do. And here are the sparklies. How do you open this thing? Sorry about this, about the noise. They come pre-bagged. Kudos to Travis who did that. Thank you so much. You got this beautiful thing. I'm gonna use this to make my labels. Come down. There you go. It's a nice big legend, and they're colored now. You have the picture name, picture size, and what kind of drills you have on, and all the contact information. And this is the thumbnail in bigger and better. Now, diamonds. Look at them sparkle. And they are DMC coded. Nice! We have 712, 159. I love it that they're DMC coded. 704, 436, 307, 154. Oh, that's so dark. It's a dark red. 3808. Ooh, 718, 826, 823. We have 3811. Look at those beautiful colors. Oh my god. 758, 783, 3799, 3078, 701, 702. We're going to have beautiful transitions. 725, 608, 762. That's a big bag. Whoa! 995. Look at those babies. 996, of course, they would be. 3835 and 3842. And if you see on this one is not crystal, it's resin, but it has a silver backing, and that will make the rest of the crystals pop like popcorn. Now, how much did I pay for this? You know how long was it that I ordered it? How should I remember? I don't even know where it is in the order books. So give me a moment while this lady searches for it. So do you like rhinestones like I do? I do like rhinestones. Yay. Now, where is it? Oh, the noise in the background is my better half eating Pringles. So yeah, if you're hungry, I'm hungry too, but he's not sharing. So I will give him a suitable punishment later. I don't think it's here. Maybe it's in this one. I went 2 books behind you all. There is no escape. Okay, I'm gonna pause it so you don't have to wait. Y'all, listen, as Mrs. Coffee says. So, I ordered this at 28th of November 2020. It arrived at the 2nd of February 2021. That's how long I had it, and I didn't unbox it. And the price was £38.75 plus 7.55 shipping. And I used the money, how you call that? The lay-by that they were using, and I had 4 installments. So, yeah, Marjorie Sarnart, waiting for Santa. I love her. I can't wait to do this. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and considering subscribing to the channel. If you have any questions, leave them down below and I'll answer as best as I can. Everything about this painting will be in the description. Remember, stay safe, take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.